I am installing an Ikea ceiling light in my dining room fixture. The Ikea light has 2 white wires and 1 yellow-green, which I believe is the ground. My ceiling has 1 black, 1 white and 1 copper wire. I believe it's the ground. I connected a white with the black and copper to the green/yellow. No luck. I then switched the connection of the 2 white wires. No luck. The switch on the wall is working as I tested that the black wire is not hot when the switch is turned off. I'm at a loss as to how to connect this thing.
Welcome. My name is XXXXX XXXXX would be glad to assist. First, when you say it has 2 white wires, are they similar to a lamp cord where the 2 wires are joined and you pull them apart to separate them?
Yes, they were joined and I separated them.
Okay, thanks. Look at those 2 whites very good and fell them. One should have a ridge or ribs and the other side is smooth.
Okay, we'll do it now.
Okay, thanks.
I'm back, sorry. Disconnected the modem when I turned off the power.
That is quite all right.
I looked at the white Ikea wires. They both kinda look like they have ridges on one side and are smooth on the other. Is only one supposed to look this way?
Yes, only one. That is how to determine which side connects to the hot wire. Okay, thanks. Now, take the white wire that has the ridge and connect it to the ceiling white wire. Take the white wire that is smooth and connect it to the ceiling black wire. Take the yellow/green and connect it to the ceiling bare wire. Should do it.
All right. It works. I had hooked it up that way originally but only put 1 bulb in and it was numbered 3. It now works with all 3 bulbs. Perhaps having the bulb in number 1 carries the current to 2 and 3.
Good job. Not sure why it needs all 3 installed. IKEA has some European style lighting, so it could be something to do with that setup. Key to 2 wire cords, just remember, the ridged wire connects to the ceiling white always. Otherwise the bulb socket will have power on the threaded part and that is dangerous.
Thanks so much for your insight. I'll make note as I'm going to be doing a light in my daughter's room in the next month. Have a great day.
You are very welcome. Glad to be of service.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.